Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best gifts for women, especially perfect for Mother's Day and beyond. This stunning piece from OEAGO caught our eye for its elegance and thoughtful design. Let's start with what makes this mug so special. Crafted from high-quality, lead-free glass, it features exquisite 3D butterfly and red rose designs. It's not just a mug, it's a work of art. What stands out immediately is the attention to detail. The butterfly and rose motifs are not only visually stunning but also durable, thanks to the handmade enamel craftsmanship. Beyond its beauty, this mug is a joy to use. It comes with a matching enamel spoon, perfect for stirring your favorite beverage. The handle is ergonomic and feels great in hand. Safety is paramount, especially with kitchenware. OEAGO ensures this mug is free from harmful heavy metals like lead and barium, making it a healthy choice for daily use. Whether it's for enjoying a morning coffee or gifting it to someone special, this mug fits every occasion. It's versatile enough for birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, you name it. In conclusion, the OEAGO Glass Coffee Enamels mug is more than just a cup, it's a statement piece. Whether you're treating yourself or someone dear, it's a gift that's sure to be cherished. If you're interested in adding this beautiful mug to your collection or surprising someone with a thoughtful gift, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations on Product Critique.